Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is the end of week 2 of my plant-based diet. I started around the 16th of July and it is now the 28th. I filmed pretty much the first week, what I ate and how I was feeling. The second week I didn't film too much, and I don't know if it's because of the heat or what exactly, but I had a flare-up, and so I just wanted to kind of show you. It wasn't so much on my hands. I had a little bit here, not too much anywhere else, but it was more so on my face. So I have it, obviously you can see, really bad here, and here and around my lip area. So I'm not sure what exactly is causing it, but I'm still eating plant-based, and I'm thinking it's more so the heat. I don't have AC in my house, so we bought a little portable unit that just stays downstairs. So when I'm sleeping next to my husband and we have the baby in the room too, it gets really hot in there. So I don't know if that's what's caused it or what is going on, but that's what's happening for my second week. I feel really great otherwise. I have been able to maintain my weight, whereas when I was eating meat and dairy, I would fluctuate anywhere from 4 to 6 pounds during the day. Normally at the end of the day, I would be 6 pounds heavier than when I would wake up. But I'm only fluctuating 1 to 2 pounds now with this plant-based diet, which is really great. It's really motivating, and I'm loving the way my clothes fit me. I'm loving the way I'm feeling. I definitely feel happier. I don't feel like gloomy. I don't want to do anything. I feel really good, and actually I've been wanting to cook more, and I've been really wanting to dedicate time to make a meal based off of plants rather than, oh, I'm starving, I'll just order a pizza, which is awesome because we ordered pizza last night. Well, I didn't. My husband and some of his buddies did, and it was smelling fantastic. But I didn't eat the pizza. I had my little meal that I had cooked on Thursday night, which it's Saturday today. Yeah, I'm feeling really good, and I think I am going to continue this diet. Right now I don't see any reasons to stop. I just keep finding better reasons, and I keep finding more happiness off this diet. And so I am going to be making my little avocado smoothie right now because I'm getting a little hungry. So I'll show you how to do that. This is what you'll need to make an avocado smoothie. 1 pretty ripe avocado that is soft to touch, a blender, some almond milk. I like to use unsweetened vanilla, a knife, and some sweetener if you want it to be more sweet. So I'm just going to cut my avocado in half. And I'm just going to start taking chunks out and dropping it into the blender. Now, I like mine to be a little bit more thicker on the consistency, so I just eyeball how much almond milk I'm going to use. To where it's enough, but it's not completely covering the avocado. And now we are going to blend it. So this is one of my favorite little snacks, and I just love it so much. So hopefully if you guys try this, you let me know what you think, and I'll see you for the next meal. Something about you makes me wanna do things that I shouldn't. No? What do you want me to sing? What is that? Fish. Alright, ready? Something about you